Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about whether you can use YouTube TV with a VPN in 2025. Let's dive right into it. First off, the main thing you need is a reliable VPN. Once you have chosen one, go ahead and connect to a server located in the United States. This step is very crucial because YouTube TV is only available in certain regions and we need to bypass those locations restrictions. Now open up UTP or YouTube TV and you'll see that it should work just as expected. Thanks to the VPN, the location restrictions are bypassed and now you can enjoy your stream, your favorite shows without any issues. If you ran into any problems, don't worry, simply refresh the page and everything should start working smoothly. So if you follow the simple steps, it will be easy to see your YouTube TV with a VPN. And that is it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video as always.